Hey guys, it's AJ from Design the Everything. Today we're going to do a little bit more experimentation and try something new with 3D printing. So I am in the process of converting one of my old 3D printers, actually my first 3D printer, into a laser engraver. And I had been hearing a lot of talk about the people in the 3D printing Facebook group about how to join two printed parts together. So I printed off this little test piece. It is a magic dovetail test piece. They're all over the place on Thingiverse. So I have this laser from my new laser engraver, or what will be my laser engraver soon. And I decided to try some laser 3D printed part welding. It kind of works. I'll show you the process today. We'll see if we can get it to work better than I did a little bit earlier today. But this is the part. It's the 3D printed dovetails. I figured these are already joints. They're a little bit loose, but they should work. And I'm going to use this clamp to make sure they're clamped tight. And I'm just going to clamp them there. And then I don't have any of the laser glasses, but I do have this sheet of orange plastic, which will stop the laser light from this laser. And this is the right wavelength. So I'm going to set this up there very safely against my coffee cup, and I'm going to go ahead and start some welding, hopefully. So that time didn't work as well as I had hoped. Last time I tried this, I tried it with some red plastic, and it worked way better. I think the white plastic is reflecting a lot of the light. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to try this one more time, this time using some filler plastic, just like you were TIG welding. So these are the results. I only did one side, but it's actually super impressive. This is actually welded on. I did not expect it to work that well. I never tried it using the filler material. I do think the red absorbs the laser much more effectively than the white did, which is why this worked better. But that worked. And there was some weirdness. If you look at this really closely, the red kind of changed to be clear in red. So I don't know if the light breaks down the pigment or what's going on there, but that's interesting. Thank you for watching. Well, actually, before I say that, disclaimer, don't do this at home. I do actually know what I'm doing. I'm an engineer. I had the proper filtered plastic that does stop the wavelength of light that I am using here. This is a pretty good way to blind yourself, or at least give you little floating spots. So don't do this at home unless you know what you're doing. I probably shouldn't say that. Thank you for watching though. If you want to see the rest of my designs and experiments and tutorials as they come out, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.